This is the Asus Zenbook Pro 16X OLED, and Asus claims it can replace your desktop workstation in a laptop that still fits in a backpack. Dual screens, RTX graphics, Intel's top-tier chips. It sounds like a creative powerhouse. But after digging through expert reviews and real-world tests, there's something they don't really emphasize in the ads. So the big question is this futuristic dual-screen laptop actually worth your hard-earned cash? Product overview. So what exactly are we looking at? The Asus Zenbook Pro 16X OLED is Asus's premium creator laptop with Intel's 13th gen processors and NVIDIA RTX 40 series graphics. It's aimed squarely at creators, video editors, 3D artists, and anyone juggling heavy creative workflows on the go. Its headline feature, the ScreenPad Plus, a secondary 14.5-inch touchscreen that automatically tilts up when you open the lid. Combined with a 16-inch 3.2K 120Hz OLED main display, this thing looks like a sci-fi workstation. Pricing in the US typically starts around the high $2,000 range and climbs depending on specs. So yeah, this is a serious investment. Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform? Most configurations pack Intel Core i9 processors and up to an RTX 4070 GPU. In real-world testing from outlets like The Verge and other major tech reviewers, this thing absolutely flies in creative workloads. I'm talking 4K video editing in Premiere Pro, complex Photoshop layers, Blender renders. It handles it without breaking a sweat. Timeline scrubbing is smooth, rendering times are dramatically shorter than thin and light laptops. And because of the beefy cooling system, thanks in part to that lifted secondary screen creating airflow, it can sustain higher performance for longer sessions. But here's the thing, this is not a silent machine under load. When you're exporting a big project or gaming, the fans spin up noticeably. It's not obnoxious, but you'll know it's working. For everyday tasks, Chrome with 30 tabs, Slack, Spotify, Zoom, it's effortless. Honestly, it feels overpowered for casual use. But if your workflow earns you money, that power makes sense. Features and tech. First up, the ScreenPad Plus. This 14.5-inch secondary display sits above the keyboard and tilts up automatically. Why should you care? Because it changes how you multitask. You can park your timeline in Premiere up top, keep full-screen preview on the main display, or move toolbars, chat windows, or reference material out of your primary workspace. It's a game changer for productivity once you adapt to it. Second, the 16-inch 3.2K OLED display. This panel is gorgeous, deep blacks, punchy contrast, and accurate colors. For photographers and video editors, that means what you see is actually what you're exporting. And the 120Hz refresh rate? Scrolling feels incredibly smooth and responsive. Third, the RTX 40 series GPU. Beyond gaming, this means faster AI-based tools like generative fill, background removal, and accelerated rendering. If you use creative apps that leverage GPU power, you'll feel the difference immediately. And finally, there's the customizable dial built into the touchpad area. It integrates with Adobe apps and lets you scrub timelines or adjust brush sizes with precision. It sounds gimmicky, but for creators, it's surprisingly useful. Design and build. Aesthetically, Asus knocked it out of the park. The chassis is CNC-milled aluminum, and it feels incredibly solid. No flex, no creaks. This thing screams premium. The futuristic design, especially when that secondary screen lifts, turns heads in coffee shops. But here's the trade-off. It's not light. At over 5 pounds, this is closer to a portable workstation than an ultra-portable laptop. The keyboard sits lower because of the ScreenPad placement, and the trackpad is shifted to the right. It takes a few days to adjust. Once you do, it's fine, but it's definitely unconventional. Battery life. Now, let's talk battery, because with this much power, expectations matter. In lighter productivity tasks, you're looking at around 6 to 8 hours. But if you're pushing the GPU or editing video, that number drops quickly. This is not an all-day unplugged machine for heavy creators. The good news is, fast charging helps top it up quickly. Still, realistically, if this is your main workstation, you'll want to stay near an outlet. Pros. Stunning 3.2K 120Hz OLED display. Desktop-class performance in a portable form. Premium, futuristic build quality. Cons. Expensive, heavy and not super portable. Final verdict. Look, if you're a serious content creator, YouTuber, video editor, 3D artist, designer who needs desktop-level performance and something technically portable, the Asus Zenbook Pro 16X OLED is an absolute powerhouse. The dual-screen setup isn't just a gimmick. Once you adapt, it genuinely improves workflow efficiency. But if you're a college student just taking notes, browsing the web, or doing light editing, this is overkill. You'd save a lot of money with something thinner and lighter. Here's the bottom line. This laptop isn't trying to be for everyone. It's for creators who want power, flexibility, and something that feels ahead of its time. And if that's you, it absolutely delivers. So that's my take on the Asus Zenbook Pro 16X OLED. But I want to know what you think. Would you actually use that dual-screen setup, or is it too much? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, a thumbs up would really help out the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more honest, no-fluff tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.